So this is my first time using the portion of the camera where I'm recording a movie, but let's see how this goes. We are trapped right now in God only knows what type of storm. It seems pretty ridiculous. Oh shit. Wow, it is pretty bad. I don't know if you can hear how bad it is, but I just saw a bolt of lightning hit right over there. It was like no word of a lie. Freaking 100 feet that way. It was so loud. Maybe not 100 feet, maybe a little less. This is pretty freaking crazy though. Okay, that's it. Trying it out. We're getting gas in the middle of a storm. Good idea, huh? Not. Dude, it just hit like right there. Did you see it? Whoa. Crazy. Where do I think it's gonna go next? Probably over here somewhere.